Thank you very much for clicking on Zara Beauty Recipe. I will be sharing a special beauty tips with you on how to use avocado pear to make your face glow. How to achieve that glass glowing face with avocado pear. I'm making a very small mixture, so I have just a little piece of the avocado pear with me. I'm going to now dice it. It's so little for me to blend, so I'm going to now pound it. Here we have the smashed avocado pear. It's very smooth. Avocado pear helps soften the skin. It also boosts the immunity of the skin by fighting other environmental factors on your body. Here we have our pure organic honey. I'm going to add 1 spoon of honey to this smashed avocado pear. 1 spoon of honey to the avocado pear. It's a great skin exfoliator. It nourishes and heals the skin. It also fights against acne and blemishes. This mixture is a very good exfoliator. It nourishes the skin, removes dead cells, and gives you a very smooth and crystal shiny face. It makes you look very beautiful. After washing your face very clean, you apply it and stay with it for about 1 hour, and then wash with warm water twice in a day. And your face will be very smooth, it will glow, and it will be soft and supple. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please click to also watch our other interesting videos on beauty and hair care tips. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to watch our new videos. Don't forget to also follow our Facebook page at Zara Beauty Recipe and at Zara Niger. Thank you.